Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily log into your existing Duolingo account using your mobile devices or tablets. So let's get started. First of all, launch open the Duolingo app open on your device, and once you do that, you'll come across this page. Here, click on the sign in button right under already have an account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to go ahead and tap on the Get Started button from the bottom. Right after you tap Sign In, on the next page, you'll be prompted to enter your username or email followed by your password. Go ahead and write it down in the text boxes. If you've previously signed in with Facebook or Google, you may choose the same option from the bottom. I'm just going to go ahead and enter my username or email along with my password in the text boxes at the top since I previously signed up with email. Right after you have the correct credential, tap on Sign In. But if you don't remember your password, you can tap on the Forgot Password link and follow through the password reset process. Once you tap Sign In, you will be logged in to your Duolingo account. So there you have it. That is how you can easily get access to your existing Duolingo account. Super quick and easy. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.